What's up, YouTube? Dave the phone guy here, and today Nomodo, they sent me their sound collar. So in this box that we're gonna unbox together, we're gonna check it out and see what it's like. So let's just hop into the video. Alright guys, so let's get this thing unboxed. The box doesn't really have anything on it, pretty plain. That is the only text on there. It says, Nomodo, we get you, we got you. I guess that's their logo, their slogan. All right, we got a get started guide. We don't really need that. This is our charging cable, standard micro charger. And this is the Nomodo Sound Collar. Looks pretty solid, has a nice fabric finish, has a little bit of weight to it. How does it feel? Feels good. A lot of weight down here, so I guess that's gonna help keep it on you when you're moving, when you're being active. They tell me that this is sweat resistant, so you can use it at the gym with no problem. And it has a few buttons on the side here. So you have your volume control. This is your button to activate your assistant. And then you have your power button. Let's get these paired up on the phone and see how they sound. All right, so that was easy. So they're paired up now. And just to give you a quick rundown, these have an 800 milliamp battery. They're sweat resistant, so you can use them at the gym, take them to the beach. Obviously don't take them in the ocean, but they'd be great just to use outside, sitting there while you're eating some food at a table, or if you're just hanging out with friends, listening to music. But you could also, obviously, use them at the gym. It might even be great if you're sitting on the couch watching YouTube and, you know, have a more stereo audio experience. So I'm gonna go ahead and play some music with these and see how they sound. Now, I'm using music from the YouTube audio library that has no copyright. That way I don't get a strike on my channel. So let's see, I'm just gonna play the first one. Let's crank these up a little. So I can feel the bass around my neck. It has a nice sound overall. The highs sound pretty nice. They're decent. It's not bad. Yeah, I could see myself using these. You know what? I just thought of something. So I could see one of you guys using these. It's the holiday season, so why don't we do a giveaway? To win this pair right here, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter at @1David_Miller. That's it. I'm gonna do a drawing on the 20th of December, and I'll ship these anywhere in the world. Again, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter. That's it. And you can win these and try them out for yourself. You can also pick up a pair on Amazon. They are 80 bucks. They come in a couple of different colors. They come in black and gray. They sound good, they feel good. If this is something that you can see yourself using, if you do a lot of exercising, or maybe you just want an extra speaker for around the house, you don't actually even need to wear these. They would make a good addition. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm Dave the phone guy. If you liked this video or it helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click on the bell. That way you'll get notified of my next video. And follow me on Twitter at @1David_Miller. Again, the drawing's gonna be on December 20th. Yeah, I'll pick one of you guys, I'll ship them anywhere. That's it. Talk to you in the next one. Peace!